Welcome to Happy Fun Time! Hi, and welcome to Happy Fun Time for Kids. So today, we are finally going to announce who our lucky winner for our first ever toy giveaway. And look, these are all the subscribers who've joined and answered our comment, shared our video, and follow us via social media and other requirements that we ask on our giveaway. So again, you are going to get a Moj, LOL Fuzzy Pets Wave 1, Hairdooz Series 1, and we are very thankful for all the participants who commented, shared our video, like and subscribe. Don't worry guys, this is not the last one that we're going to do this. We're going to continually do this, maybe quarterly or every time we hit a particular subscriber. By the way, we are very thankful because we already got 70 subscribers. So keep on sharing our video so we can also give more toy surprises in the future. Alright, so let's put all these names in our mason jar so we can draw the lucky winner. Isn't that cute? Okay, let's put on the lid. There you go. And shake it. Da-da-da-da-da. Woo! Okay. Thank you everyone who supported our first ever giveaway. Don't worry, this is not the last one. This is only the first one. So, okay. Put it here so we can grab on to that particular. And the lucky winner is Sama Nakvi. Thank you very much everybody who supported, and congratulations Sama Nakvi. Please do send us a message in any of our social media, and we will also put our email address here so you can send all the details so we can send this particular toy giveaway right away to your address. And remember, these are free, you don't need to pay anything. So just relax and wait for your package to arrive. And for those people, and Samanakvi, I'm not sure if you're a minor. If you are, please ask for your parent consent so you can give us the right address so you can get this prizes that you have won. So again, we are very thankful for all the participants. Till our next giveaway. Goodbye! Thank you for watching, and please see you in our next video. Again, stay happy with Happy Fun Time for Kids. Goodbye!